I'm very excited to share with you today a brand new initiative that we're launching called Session Privée. It is French for private sessions, and in these sessions I'm going to spend face-to-face time with a maximum of 8 people at a time in a session. And in these sessions we will discuss various relevant and pressing topics on financial planning as well as practice management, and how do we take your business to the next level or to a new level. And that is what we're going to be doing. So we will be sharing and learning and networking with one another, and these sessions will prove to be of extremely high quality and value. Not only that, you will also earn CPD, because we're doing this in conjunction with Circulus Online, our online CPD providing platform, and they're also a recognized CPD provider. So very excited about that. So watch out on our social media as well as on our website and our newsletter for more information that will give you everything that you need to know, how to book for these sessions and where it will be held. So thank you. Looking forward to spending some time with you shortly. If you've got any questions, you're welcome to post them below. I will get back to you, or give me a call, or whatever is easiest for you.